benefit of the new facility that's planned is obviously to care for the ever-increasing patient load, both in terms of campers, in terms of Tsevet, and staffing of all kinds.
And the truth is, given the medical complexity of the kids and their needs and our desire to really make this as good as it can be, given that we are in rural Pennsylvania, is we just need more room, we need more space, we need more equipment, we need more sleep rooms. Good examples are either nobody is sick or we'll have a lot of kids that are sick at the same time, and then we need places for them to be. We want them to be comfortable. We want them to have some place to be cared for. And so having that additional facility is important.
I think it will be wonderful to have a larger space for our campers. We're always kind of shifting people around between our one treatment room and our 2 sleeping rooms that are often full. It will allow a bit more privacy, place for people to take their medications with privacy as well. It will also allow us as doctors to be closer to the Marp when we're needed, especially in the evenings.
Just less treating the kids on the porch and more treating them in appropriate rooms, and hopefully as well with sort of more appropriate technology exactly where we need it, and just a better flow to the whole place, and a little bit more efficient and comfortable for everybody.
We are really happy to hear that there is a Marp renovation coming. This space is really important to Machane, making sure that we keep all the kids safe and have the equipment that we need if anything comes up. And as camp is growing, we're looking forward to a time when we can have more opportunity to see more kids more efficiently, more quickly, take care of as many kids as we need all the time, and have a workflow that supports a camp that's growing and thriving.
What I love about being the camp doctor, besides getting to see my kids, is that Campstone has really been, very an amazing experience for our family and for my 3 kids who are now here. And this is a way that I feel like I'm able to give back and give my time and get to see the kids and give back to the camp in a way that I'm able to.
Serving as a camp doctor is special to me for so many reasons. I knew going into medicine that I wanted to work with children, and one of the main reasons for that is all the wonderful summers I've had in camp, including here. And also I knew that being a camp doctor was a way to come back to camp, and nothing more in my life that I wanted than to be able to be at camp forever. And so being here in camp, both as a camp doctor and now having children here in camp, one this year in Ada Aleph and 2 in Gan, has been really closing a circle that was very exciting for me.
I really appreciate coming here as staff. I remember being a kid coming to the Marp and what it was like, actually. And I really like being the doctor and being able to provide the kind of reassurance for kids who are not feeling so well that I would have liked to have as a camper.
Being in the camp environment, all the ruach in camp really energized us, and it was something that we enjoyed being in and enjoying to see our kids friends, and all of our neighbors' friends being at camp, enjoying themselves, and getting the exposure to everything that Camp Stone, Machane Stone, B'nai Akiva had to offer in terms of both religious background as well as just a fun summer.